Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Stratoscale easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register for Stratoscale, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Stratoscale website URL. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to be redirected to the registration form. Fill in the required fields, including your first name, last name, and email address. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the designated field. If there's an option for promotional emails, select it if you wish to receive updates. Read through the terms of service and privacy policy by clicking on the provided links. Once you are familiar with the documents, check the box to agree to the terms. Look for the Create Account button and click on it. You may be prompted to verify your email address, so head to your email inbox. Find the verification email from Stratoscale and open it. Click on the verification link within the email to activate your account. After verifying your email, return to the Stratoscale login page. Enter your registered email address and password in the respective fields. Click on the Login button to access your newly created account. Follow any additional setup instructions that may appear after your first login. You are now officially registered and ready to use Stratoscale. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.